What's the meaning of Burma Shave? Burma Shave. Burma Shave.
Burma Shave. Burma Shave. Burma Shave was a brand of shaving cream that became famous for its roadside advertising campaign in the United States during the 1920s to 1960s. The company erected a series of small signs along highways, each with one line of a humorous poem that culminated in the brand name Burma Shave. The signs were intended to catch the attention of passing motorists and provide a memorable advertisement. The campaign was a huge success and became a cultural phenomenon, even after the brand stopped production in the 1960s. Today, the phrase Burma Shave is used to refer to any clever and memorable advertising campaign.